channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to remix and overwrite the lyrics in your Suno AI. So guys, if you want to remix the song in this Suno AI, so guys, it is very easy. So guys, here you see, for example, I am in a home. So first of all guys, you go for the option of create. So if you have already a song, so guys, if you have a song, so guys, you simply go to your song, and guys, here you see the option of remix. So you just click the option of remix. So guys, here you see overwrite the lyrics. This song has the lyrics, so do you want to overwrite your current lyrics and keep current? So guys, you simply going to the option of keep current, and here it start loading, and here you entered your all of these things what you want to edit. Okay, so guys, here you see this is the cover. Recreate the song with a different gen feel, mashup, sample, info, extend, crop, a lot of these things. Okay, so guys, here this is the way that you can do. So guys, thank you and have a nice day.